Hi, my name is Jun Kong, and I'm a bankruptcy lawyer practicing in California, and I'm here to answer a question from a viewer about the pros and cons of Bankruptcy Chapter 7. So what are the pros and cons of filing for Chapter 7 bankruptcy? Before I answer that question, I do have to give you a disclaimer that although I'm a bankruptcy lawyer, I'm not your lawyer. I don't represent you. I don't know your current circumstances and situation, so I cannot give you legal advice, nor should this information be construed as legal advice. You should consult with an experienced bankruptcy lawyer in your jurisdiction who can answer your questions more specifically and who can analyze and review your circumstances to help you decide whether bankruptcy is a viable option for you. The pros and cons of Chapter 7 bankruptcy. The pros are essentially that Chapter 7 bankruptcy allows you to discharge most types of unsecured debts without having to pay them off, and you clear the slate and you get a fresh start without the burden of those debts. The cons are that if you file for bankruptcy and you happen to have some assets, you may sacrifice those assets to a trustee who will then take them and liquidate them and use the money to pay creditors. And you also have obligations and disclosures to the bankruptcy court and to your creditors in your bankruptcy case. So depending on your circumstances, the pros are you get a fresh start and wipe out your old debts. The cons are that you have certain responsibilities and obligations to your creditors and the bankruptcy court, and if you have assets, you may have to sacrifice those assets through the bankruptcy. I hope that this answers your question and helps you out. If you're considering bankruptcy, I assume that you're in some financial stress, and I would like to offer you a solution for your financial stress. I'm a bankruptcy lawyer practicing for almost 20 years, have a successful practice and make good income, but it requires a lot of time. And so I found a way to supplement my law practice income with a home business which is operated online. And if you're interested in making some money for yourself or additional money or supplement your income, if you're the kind of person that likes to learn new things, who takes action on what they learn, who wants to learn from the top experts in the field, wants to make some money, have fun, and hang out with people who have fun doing the same thing, then you're the kind of person we're looking for. If that's the case and you want to learn more, go to essentialtosuccess.com, or you can click on the button below to learn more. I look forward to serving you, and I hope that I've answered your question and provided you a solution.